What's up guys, it's GeeksCorner here. Welcome to another episode of the App of the Week. This week we're going to look at an app called AntRec HD, and it's a screen recording app. Now I know there's a few out there which are pretty good as well. However, this one has been updated several times with some extra added features which I really like, and some of the other recording apps that I used to use seem to be having more bugs lately, so this one at the moment in my opinion takes the lead. Now I'm just going to quickly open up the settings. The latest features it's added is show touch marker. Now with this you can switch it off, you can have it so it's always on or when you're recording, so that's always a good feature. You can adjust the video resolution from the native to half as well, and you can then obviously adjust the video orientation from portrait to left landscape or right landscape, whichever way you're holding your device. You can choose then between a mic and no audio as well. Now, one extra feature that was added a few updates back was a float camera source. Now this is actually a pretty good feature. It's something I didn't think I'd actually use, but I gotta be fair, I think I will. You've got the front camera first of all, so when you add that in, just click done. You then get a screen which you can actually move around from the camera, and just put my finger over the screen there, and obviously you can move it around, so if you've got something on the top part of your display, that's not going to get in the way. And then you can also just change that over as well to the back camera. Now as you can see, you've got the back camera, and again you can move that anywhere across the screen. The only slight downside to this is, in order for these settings to take effect, you do need to stop recording and then restart again, like I've had to do for this feature. However, if you know you're going to use it from the beginning, then you can just simply enable it and off you go. Now, as I mentioned about the video orientation, you can actually adjust that on the main screen anyway, left, right, and obviously it won't take effect whilst it's recording, but saves you going into the settings every time. Now this is on version 1.5.3. There was a few problems about 2 updates back where it was causing some apps like the Mail to crash, but the developers actually fixed that quite quickly, so that is another thing that's going for this app as well, is the response in fixing the problems. Now what you also like as well is when you're recording, or once you've saved it, you can actually click up here and it'll show you then your recordings. So for example, on one of the ones we do at the moment, you can just play it in the app, you can share it, save it to camera roll, or upload it directly to YouTube, so it saves up taking extra space if you've got it in one go without editing. So we're just going to click on the share, and now you can save the video. You can send it in your messages, your mail, your WhatsApp, Facebook, Tumblr, iCloud, photo storage, and obviously you got your more setting then to add the extra features if you wanted to. Now saving to the camera roll is quite actually easy, and there we are, it's quite quick as you can see. Now they've also got a support section, so you can email off to the developers if you have a problem, and then obviously you can share the app out as well. Now they've added a new feature, HD player, and that is actually in the App Store as well. That's not something I've personally tested yet, but hope to do so soon. Now they've also got a Twitter as well for any obviously questions, support. Now this app is actually free and it's available from the Big Boss repo, so if you do like to use screen recording apps, then I highly recommend that you check this app out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thanks for joining me, and hope to see you soon.